today we're walking in the woods, and we have some pets in one that Dad took in the, I think, in the road. We've got some we got a turtle, and Mom founded a bird that we're trying to take care of because it's hurt. I think it fell right off the nest, and some bunnies when that Mom got in our garden. But today we're just looking in the woods, finding if there's any turtles. I just found some. Dad also saw one in the woods, in the river. Oh, there's a bee. Oh my gosh! Did you saw that? It just looked like a feather.
Okay.
Because we are just looking.
What are we looking for again?
Turtles.
So tired.
Dad found turtles in here and by the road. And when you guys said, oh, is that a big turtle right there? It's dark.
What is that? Get over here.
What?
Wait, get over here.
I know what it is. It's good. Okay, turn it on.
I did.
Turn it on.
I did turn it on.
Oh.
There's a lot of butterflies. Look, oh my god. Butterfly. Oh, spider. Oh, no, it's not a spider. Come on.
See, those are the ones I'm talking about. What are those? Are
Can't see the dragonfly.
They look so weird. They look like a leaf. Can you see what? Oh my gosh. Oh.
There.
Oh my gosh, they're so big. Oh, is it on?
Yes. Can you look up in the trees too if you can see plants up in the tree? Okay?
Oh, there's a big butterfly. That's the
Yep.
one I saw before. Can you see that? Guys,
Yep.
look. Oh my gosh, we saw that before. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Taba ang dudong oy.
Can you see
There,
guys?
yep. I made it big.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can get it.
No, just leave it alone.
Caddy Pearson gets other butterflies by just picking up the weeds. He knows how to not hurt them, and he told me.
Do you know how not to hurt them?
You just need to grab onto their back without sticking it. Is there anything on the log? What about under the log?
I don't know, you check it. Oh my god.
What is that?
It's a hole.
Oh my gosh.
The log is empty. Oops.
Yuck.
Oh, I cannot.
Is
What?
Is this what the ditch looks like?
On the other side of the road, it's bigger than that.
Wait, but what does the ditch look like?
That.
Oh. Dad even found one in the woods. He said it was in the ditch. I'm breaking the stick. Is it on? I know when it's on, you're looking. If it's not on, you don't have to look. Is it on? People animals. Like how the people like this. What's that?
Where?
It's just a branch.
Hmm.
A rat tree is really cute. Do you know that some monsters are actually real? So you better watch out. You better watch out. I wish Dad was here. It's scary.
How come it's getting dark over here? Are we in the deep forest?
Can you turn it on?
It is on.
Okay. I'm really scared. Oh, I'm so scared. I can't believe I'm scared of anything.
No, get over here.
I'm not gonna cross that. What does the ditch look like? I told you.
Huh?
What does the ditch look like?
That is a ditch.
Okay, but are there turtles in there? You'll see them.
Daddy usually sees them when they try to cross. They try to go to the ditch.
They just look like a rock, so make sure you pick up a rock. You keep going there. You know, real water.
No, Ben, no. There's gonna be water under
Can
those
you look
leaves.
up the trees? Show the viewers the trees. Wow. Come on, guys.
Do you have viewers?
Wow. I'm so scared. This might be creepy.
Bi, ayaw lagi. Kay mahug lagi ka.
Look at that. Show them the river.
Sa river.
What is that?
The ditch.
Oh, but I just keep calling a river because it looks like.
It looks like, yep.
Oh. there's a
What?
bee. There's a
What?
bee.
Where?
It's
Mm.
It makes like a crack.
Ow! Mosquito bit me.
I'll see. Where's it? Oh, there's a lot of mosquitoes.
It's okay. I'm gonna go walk. What?
In dark and cold in the deep forest. The deep forest. The deep forest.
No turtles yet?
Nope. There's turtles.
Ooh, so many mosquitoes.